Personal leadership. Leadership itself is such a huge subject, but we'll dive into this piece about personal leadership. And my question to you is, what do you think a leader's number one responsibility is? Just shout out some answers. People, team, all the other things are really important, but a leader's number one responsibility is their own discipline and personal growth. Example, why do you say that? Well, let me ask you, can you give something you don't have? If you're a person who don't know how to push past their perceived limitations, if you don't know how to hang in there and to demonstrate grit, can you challenge? Can you encourage others to do it? I would say no, right? If you're not a person of value, can you add value to the lives of others? If you're not a company of value, can you add value to the lives of others? No. And so, yes, you have to be constantly working on yourself, right? This business of personal leadership is a lifelong commitment to growth, right? It's this business of being agile and being willing to take new risks and developing a growth mindset, or, as you guys have been talking about, an Olympic mindset. I feel lonely up there, so I thought I'd come down. Right? So there are two basic kinds of mindset, or two kinds of people. Those with a fixed mindset. And what do they believe? That, man, this is it. This is all I'm born with. This is the talent and the skill and the potential that I have. And do they achieve some success? Yes, but it's mediocre success. People with a growth mindset recognize, people like you, that you can acquire new skills, and you're always working to acquire new skills. And when you're practicing personal leadership, that's what you're doing, right? So, like, you take, 4 guys out of Jamaica and you go bobsled, go to the Olympics, right? If we didn't have a growth mindset, a term I didn't really know back then, we wouldn't be having this conversation. But what that is demonstrating is what you also have the potential to do some amazing things, although you're brand new in the space. The fact that you're new in the space doesn't mean you can't be significant. Doesn't mean you can't do amazing things. You just have to learn what you need to learn to get it done, right? And is it easy? No. Is it easy going from 96 degrees in the shade to minus 40 degrees? No. It's uncomfortable. But you have to learn to become comfortable with the discomfort. Every successful person, every successful team finds discomfort in comfort.